Hello everyone, welcome to Sujata Code Labs. Interior designers and interior designing businesses, Instagram has become a daily activity for many of you, yet consistent inquiries still feel unpredictable. Many interior businesses post quality work, follow trends, and stay active, but struggle to convert attention into real client conversations. The confusion is not about creativity, it is about using Instagram with a clear business purpose. In this video, we focus on how interior designing businesses can turn Instagram from visibility into trust and inquiries. This session is designed to bring clarity to what actually works and what silently blocks growth. Now let us look at a familiar situation. Two interior design businesses operate in the same city. Both deliver quality interiors. Both post regularly on Instagram. Yet one receives steady inquiries, while the other only receives likes and saves. Here is an important insight. Over 65% of interior clients check Instagram before making their first inquiry. The hidden mistake most interior designing businesses make is treating Instagram only as a portfolio, not as a decision-making guide for clients. Another important fact, profiles that explain process, pricing logic, and planning see up to 3 times higher inquiry intent than profiles that only showcase finished projects. Instagram is not just a posting platform. For interior designers, it functions as a digital-first meeting with potential clients. Here is a risk: most interior designing businesses lose serious clients within the first 7 seconds of a profile visit without realizing why. In this video, we have broken everything down into a 15-step practical guide. Each step is designed to remove confusion and bring clarity to how Instagram should work for interior designing businesses. This is not about trends or daily posting pressure. By the end of the video, interior designers will clearly understand how to use Instagram in a structured, inquiry-focused way.
Visit www.sujatacodelabs.com for affordable business website packages, affordable e-commerce website packages, affordable social media marketing packages, affordable digital marketing packages, and Android, iOS, IoT app development services.
Step 1. Establishing relevance for first impressions. When people start exploring interior design services on Instagram, many profiles look beautiful but leave visitors unsure whether the business fits their needs. Research shows that nearly 70% of visitors leave a profile if it's not immediately clear what the business specializes in. Imagine two interior businesses in the same city. One profile clearly mentions 2 and 3 BHK residential interiors with budget-focused planning, while the other only shows finished projects with no context. Even though both have strong designs, the first feels instantly relevant. Notice how just a single line about the type of homes they work with can make someone stop scrolling. It's subtle but impactful. The hidden insight is that relevance is evaluated before design quality. Secret tip: profiles that clearly state who they work with build trust faster than those trying to appeal to everyone. Step 2. Profile credibility in the first 7 seconds. When someone opens an interior designer's Instagram profile, a judgment forms within 7 seconds. Over 60% check the bio and highlights before scrolling posts. If essential information is missing, confidence drops instantly. Take two profiles, one uses highlights like our process, project timeline, and how to start, while the other only posts project photos. The first feels organized and dependable, making it easy to imagine working with the business. Even seeing a simple process highlight can make someone think they actually plan how to work with me. Tiny details matter. People look for clarity and assurance before creativity. Secret tip: process-based highlights answer unspoken questions and quietly increase trust. Step 3. Content that drives saves and recall. People save content when it helps them make a future decision. Research shows posts explaining planning logic, materials, or common mistakes receive up to 3 times more saves than purely visual posts. For example, a post showing 5 common mistakes in small living room design and how to fix them gets saved more than a polished living room photo. Notice how adding just one helpful tip turns a casual viewer into someone who will revisit the content later. Hidden insight: saved posts are revisited before starting a conversation. Secret tip: educational content performs better than posts that only impress visually. Step 4: building trust through process visibility. Interior projects involve investment, planning, and long-term commitment. People want reassurance before starting a conversation. Businesses that show the step-by-step process earn significantly higher trust. For instance, a profile that shows initial consultation, design, mock-up, material selection, installation helps people visualize working together. Notice how seeing the journey makes a service feel tangible, not abstract. Hidden insight: showing the process reduces hesitation more than showing only final results. Secret tip: transparency builds confidence faster than perfection. Step 5: explaining pricing logic without revealing numbers. Pricing hesitation is a top reason inquiries are delayed. Studies show uncertainty about costs stops many people from contacting a business. Instead of posting exact numbers, an interior profile can explain pricing logic. Costs depend on area, finishes, and customization. People understand the factors without needing figures. Notice how this builds trust. They feel informed rather than guessing. Hidden insight: people care more about understanding pricing structure than exact rates. Secret tip: cost education content filters serious inquiries without revealing sensitive numbers.
Visit www.sujatacodelabs.com for affordable business website packages, affordable e-commerce website packages, affordable social media marketing packages, affordable digital marketing packages, and Android, iOS, IoT app development services.
Step 6: visual consistency for brand recall. Profiles that look organized and consistent feel more reliable. Visual consistency improves brand recall by up to 80%. For example, a designer using the same fonts, color palette, and layout across posts makes the profile easier to remember. Even small repeated design elements subtly reassure visitors that the business is professional. Hidden insight: random styles break familiarity and make the business forgettable. Secret tip: consistency builds recognition faster than creativity alone. Step 7: practical content builds connection. People relate more to practical solutions than to flawless aesthetics. Posts showing common design challenges or solutions generate higher engagement and trust. For instance, a post titled "How to Maximize Light in Small Apartments" resonates more than a perfect photo of a luxury penthouse. Notice how a small tip can make someone pause, save, or share. Connection beats perfection. Hidden insight: relatability converts attention into interest. Secret tip: showing understanding of real problems attracts more inquiries than showcasing perfection. Step 8: using Reels for discovery. Instagram pushes Reels heavily, but relevance is key. Data shows that short, clear educational Reels drive better profile visits than trend-based videos. For example, a 30-second reel showing 3 common mistakes in kitchen layout draws more serious visitors than a viral audio trend. Notice how concise, helpful content encourages people to visit the profile or save it for later. Hidden insight: high reach without relevance rarely converts into inquiries. Secret tip: one clear idea per reel is more effective than chasing virality. Step 9: captions that build confidence. Captions help people confirm whether the business truly understands their needs. Well-written captions increase reading time by up to 2 times. A caption explaining why we choose modular cabinets for small spaces gives context beyond the photo. Notice how a single explanatory line reassures someone that the designer thinks through solutions. Hidden insight: captions add clarity that visuals alone cannot. Secret tip: explaining reasoning builds trust faster than describing what's in the image. Step 10. Highlights that support decisions. Highlights act as a decision shortcut. Profiles with structured highlights see higher inquiry actions than those using highlights only for portfolios. For example, a "How we work" highlight reassures visitors that there is a clear process. Even a short FAQ highlight can answer doubts before someone reaches out. Hidden insight highlights are not just galleries, they guide decision making. Secret tip: process and FAQ highlights reduce hesitation without being salesy. Step 11. Social proof beyond aesthetics. People trust experience more than appearance. Posts showing feedback, testimonials, or project outcomes improve credibility by up to 45%. For instance, sharing before and after living room transformation with client note gives confidence to people who are considering contacting the designer. Notice how a small testimonial can outweigh dozens of beautiful photos. Hidden insight: proof doesn't need faces or names, trust comes from consistent messaging. Secret tip: experience-based content builds confidence without privacy issues. Step 12. Public interaction signals professionalism. Visitors observe how businesses respond publicly. Thoughtful replies indicate professionalism and reliability. For example, answering questions like, "Do you handle small apartments?" clearly and politely demonstrates care. Notice how a single well-written reply can reassure someone who is unsure about reaching out. Hidden insight: engagement acts as a silent credibility signal. Secret tip: meaningful interaction builds trust more than likes or shares. Step 13. Consistency builds reliability. People may not track posting frequency, but they notice reliability. Consistent posting builds confidence more than sporadic activity. For example, posting one high-quality project update every week feels predictable, while posting inconsistently creates uncertainty. Even one reliable post per week keeps the business in the visitor's mind. Hidden insight: long gaps create doubt, predictable rhythm builds trust. Secret tip: stability is more persuasive than volume. Step 14. Clear contact paths encourage action. If the next step is unclear, action stops. Profiles with clear contact methods see higher message initiation rates. For example, a DM to book consultation button plus a WhatsApp link makes reaching out simple. Notice how clear CTAs remove hesitation and make visitors more likely to connect. Hidden insight: confusion blocks inquiries even if visitors like the work. Secret tip: simple, calm calls to action feel safer than aggressive sales messages. Step 15. Behavior signals reveal what works. Interest shows through saves, repeated visits, and DMs. Tracking these behaviors helps refine content strategy over time. For example, if posts about kitchen layouts get more saves than bedroom posts, it indicates what people are actively considering. Notice how small patterns reveal what your audience truly values. Hidden insight: likes measure attention, but actions show real intent. Secret tip: content shaped by real visitor behavior becomes a long-term, inquiry-generating system. Interior designers and interior designing businesses, these 15 steps are meant to give clarity, not pressure. Instagram works best when it is structured with purpose, not when it is used randomly. If this guide helped you see where visibility turns into trust and inquiries, take a moment to like this video and save it for reference. Subscribe to Sujata Code Labs to learn more practical, business-focused strategies created specifically for interior designing businesses. If you have questions or want guidance for your specific interior business, share them in the comments. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.